Canva or Kittl, which design tool actually helps you make real money in print on demand in 2025? Because let's be honest, using one could cost you hundreds of hours and leave your designs lost in a sea of mediocrity. One of these tools is lightning fast and super beginner friendly. The other gives you full creative control with designs that truly stand out. But if you're serious about building a print-on-demand business, you need to know which one gives you an edge where it counts: sales. And I'm not talking theory. I've tested both inside a real print-on-demand business that earns over $400,000 in royalties all time. So this isn't about features. It's about what actually works when you're building for profit. Hey, I'm RJ Martinez. I'm a full-time content creator in the print-on-demand space. After years of trial and error and scaling on platforms like Amazon Merch, I've learned how to use tools like Canva and Kittl to work smarter, not harder. And in this video, I'll help you choose the right one for your goals, whether you're just starting or scaling fast. Let's start with Canva. And look, I get it. If you've been in the print-on-demand world for more than 5 minutes, you've already heard about Canva. But don't sleep on it, because when it comes to speed and simplicity, nothing beats it. Canva's interface is drag and drop easy. You don't need to be a designer, you don't need to have fancy software, or you don't even need a laptop. Canva works beautifully on mobile. That means if inspiration strikes you while you're out, you literally create and upload a design from your phone in minutes. This matters especially if you're a beginner or if you're just trying to stay consistent. When I was uploading daily, there were days I'd batch create 20 designs in one sitting using Canva. Simple layouts, bold fonts, proven niches, done. And yeah, those quick designs, they still made sales. Because in the POD game, volume matters, especially early on when you're testing niches and building your catalog. If you're stuck in overthinking mode or feel like you don't have time to design, Canva is a shortcut to action. It helps you get designs out of your head and into your business fast. Now, what if Canva feels too basic for the kind of designs you really want to create? That's where Kittl comes in. And honestly, this is where things get exciting. Kittl is built for creators who want their designs to stand out, not just fill space. You get textured effects, vintage styles, layered illustrations, custom shapes, and fonts that look like they belong on a premium tee or a poster you'd actually frame. If you ever tried to recreate a detailed artistic style in Canva, found yourself limited, Kittl unlocks that next level of creativity. And now once you learn how to use it, even just the basics, you'll start seeing a real shift in your design quality. One of my favorite designs that took off on Amazon, I made it inside of Kittl. It had a retro badge layout, distressed textures, and curved text, the kind of design that stops the scroll. And most importantly, it sells. Kittl does take a little bit more time to learn compared to Canva. If you want to separate yourself from the sea of cookie cutter designs, Kittl gives you tools to do it. Let's talk about what really matters when you are creating designs to sell. Not just admire, export quality, licensing how POD ready these tools actually are. Kittl lets you export high resolution designs in PNG, SVG, PDF with full DPI control, perfect for detailed prints on shirts, mugs, or posters. Canva's exports are solid, especially with Pro, but if you need fine-tuned control, Kittl gives you more freedom. Now, mockups, Canva's built-in mockup generator is super handy. You can instantly visualize your design on a shirt or tote for Etsy or Redbubble. Kittl does have mockups too as well. Its exports look amazing on real products. And then there's licensing. This is huge. Canva's licensing gets tricky, especially with pro templates and graphics. Kittl, on the other hand, makes it clearer what's safe for commercial use, because the last thing you want is to lose your Etsy or Amazon account over something as simple as using a restricted design element. Here's the truth. You don't have to choose one or the other. I use both Canva and Kittl in my workflow because they each serve a different purpose. Canva is for speed. I love it for thumbnails. If I need to test a new niche or push out a batch of designs, I go to Canva. It keeps my upload schedule consistent and helps me stay in momentum. But if I want to create a premium, high converting design, Kittl is where the magic happens. That's when I slow down, use textures, curved text, vintage layouts, feels totally unique. Think of Canva as your factory. Think of Kittl as your design studio. That combo is what helped me cross over $400,000 in royalties all time. It's still what I use today. Let's talk pricing. Canva Pro is around $13 a month. Kittl Pro is closer to $15. Both have free plans, but if you're taking your POD business seriously, you'll outgrow the free versions fast. The question isn't which one is cheaper. The question is which one gives you a return. If either tool helps you create better designs, faster uploads, or higher conversions, that monthly fee becomes a no-brainer. I've made back Canva's monthly costs in one sell. Same with Kittl. The key is using these tools with intent, not just paying for features you never touch. So what's the verdict? Use Canva for speed, simplicity, and batch uploading. Use Kittl for standout designs that actually sell. You don't have to be loyal to one tool. Success in POD comes from using the right tool at the right time. The creators who win aren't just great designers, they are great decision makers. They build systems that let them produce fast and stand out. That's the real game. So Canva versus Kittl 2025, they both have a place in your toolbox. One gives you speed, the other gives you style. Together, they give you the edge you need to actually grow a real POD business. Let me know in the comments, are you team Canva, team Kittl, or do you use both? And smash that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more real-world POD strategies, and check the links below if you want to try either of these tools out. You don't have to guess your way through this. I've got your back. Stop guessing and start growing. If you want to see how you can leverage AI to create really cool designs, watch this video right here next. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.